Do you know what the second leading cause of cancer death in men is? It's prostate cancer. This silent killer is a significant health concern for men across the globe, and while many may not give it a second thought, it's time we all did. Prostate cancer, which originates in the prostate, a small walnut-shaped gland that produces seminal fluid in men, is a formidable adversary. It's the second leading cause of cancer death in men, surpassed only by lung cancer. But here's the silver lining. Early detection can truly be a lifesaver. The sooner this disease is detected, the better the treatment outcomes. So let's not underestimate the power of knowledge. Let's arm ourselves with the right information to tackle this head-on. Understanding and recognizing the signs and symptoms of prostate cancer is essential in seeking timely medical advice. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this crucial topic. Before we delve into the signs and symptoms, it's important to understand what and where the prostate gland is. The prostate gland is a small walnut-sized structure that sits at the base of the bladder in men. Its main function is to produce seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. Now, you might be wondering how this gland can develop cancerous cells. Well, just like any other part of the body, the cells in the prostate can become abnormal and start to grow uncontrollably. These abnormal cells can eventually form a tumor, leading to prostate cancer. It's a process that doesn't happen overnight, and often it doesn't cause any noticeable symptoms in the early stages. But don't worry, we'll get to that part soon. Now that we understand the prostate gland, we can discuss the signs and symptoms of prostate cancer. Early detection of prostate cancer can significantly increase treatment success, but what should you look out for? Prostate cancer is a silent invader, often showing no symptoms until it has progressed. However, there are signs that may indicate its presence. Let's dive into some of these symptoms that might raise a red flag. One of the most common symptoms is frequent urination, especially at night. This happens as the tumor begins to press against the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. If you find yourself making frequent trips to the loo, particularly at night, it's something you might want to discuss with your doctor. Another symptom is blood in the urine or semen. This is less common, but it's a clear sign that something isn't right. Blood may appear bright red, or it may darken the color of your urine or semen. If you notice any such changes, it's time to pick up the phone and schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider. Erectile dysfunction is another sign to watch out for. Difficulty in achieving or maintaining an erection can be caused by various factors, including prostate cancer. If you're experiencing changes in your sexual function, don't brush it off as just a part of aging. It's worth having a conversation with your doctor about it. Pain in the hips, back, or chest can also be a symptom of advanced prostate cancer. This happens when the cancer has spread beyond the prostate gland and into the bones. If you're experiencing persistent pain in these areas, it's essential to seek medical advice. Remember, these symptoms don't always mean cancer. They can be caused by other health issues, but it's important to listen to your body and not ignore potential warning signs. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider. Don't hesitate, don't delay. Your health is your wealth, and early detection is a powerful weapon in the fight against prostate cancer. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. Prostate cancer is an important health concern for men, and being informed about it is crucial. We've learned that the prostate gland, despite its small size, plays a vital role in male reproductive health. Understanding its function helps us grasp why changes to it can have significant impacts. We delved into the signs and symptoms of prostate cancer, which can often go unnoticed due to their subtle nature. Frequent urination, discomfort while sitting, and blood in urine or semen are a few signs to look out for. However, it's essential to remember that these symptoms don't confirm cancer. They merely indicate the need for a medical checkup. Prompt medical advice is invaluable when it comes to managing prostate health. If you observe any changes, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, early detection is key in the fight against prostate cancer. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always seek medical advice if you notice any change. As we wrap up today's discussion on prostate cancer, we invite you to become a part of our community. Please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and helpful. Doing so not only helps us reach more people with essential health information, but it also ensures you don't miss out on our future videos. We continuously strive to provide you with relevant and up-to-date health content, and your support makes this possible. Remember, knowledge is power, so share this video with your friends, family, and anyone who you think might benefit from this information. We are all in this fight against prostate cancer together, and every bit of awareness counts. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.